So the first thing we need to do is get the battery off of the charger. Make sure I don't get bitten by a snake getting through these weeds. Don't fall through the hole here. I'm sure this saddle is perfectly good being out in the rain. Alright, there's my battery. Let's get that into the car. Sparky, sparky. And this terminal is horrible. I'm gonna have to replace that. I hate how it twists. This is trying to get the car high enough to get two jacks and a jack stand under it on fucking mud. Previously picked out some marble slabs here that were large enough for jack stands, but someone has moved them and cleaned them up. I don't even understand. Why would you move anything in this yard? Alright, now it's loaded on the jack stand. Because of this mud and the angles that I had to jack it up, it is still sitting on goddamn two wheels, which means when I lift the other side, this side is going to shift precariously. So I'm going to stack these boards up close to this jack stand in case it falls, it doesn't send the damn jack stand all the way through the goddamn floor. Or hopefully it won't fall as far. Problem being stuck in the mud, the car doesn't want to shift around, or the jack should I say, on a thin piece of plywood, which is all that I could find. The jack is digging in instead of rolling, so when the car lifts, trying to pull itself off the jack. So I'm going to have to put boards underneath the tire, lower it back down and reposition the jack so I can lift it the extra length to put a jack stand under it, and that is as short as this jack stand will go. Alright, so job done? No? The car's jacked up. That's step one, jack up the car. It's done. However, step two, service position, remove everything from the front of the car to get to the control arm bolts. It happens another day.